Opening EA app. The app failed to launch. The app couldn't connect to EA servers and will continue to try to connect. Unable to connect. This may be due to your network configuration. Try switching to a different network. Error code EC10004. Solution: open control panel, go to view network status and task. Change adapter settings. Right click Wi-Fi adapter, go to properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4 properties windows. Use the following DNS server address 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 as preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server address. If you assign static IP, then check the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. If you don't want to use static IP, then you can enable DHCP by selecting the option obtain an IP address automatically. Now I can launch EA app without error. Subscribe.